If you're on this channel, you know that we've talked about how AI is a huge tsunami flooding our entire world. But in fact, according to Forbes, it's anticipated that AI will boost productivity for 64% of companies in the near future, and analysts suggest that AI market will soar to an impressive $404 billion by 2027. There's additional research that also forecasts a growth rate of 37.3% CAGR for AI through 2030. So this indicates a transformative impact across industries globally. So if that's the case, it's time to level up. But you might be wondering, where should I go exactly to learn all this? There's so many resources out there. Is it even possible? What's trustworthy? And all of that. So in this video, I'll share with you 10 online courses or online certificates that you can get for AI and that you should be studying now to be prepared. Now, keep in mind, I'm not sponsored by any of these platforms. I just simply want to help people stay prepared for the future by sharing them out. And of course, if you'd like to share this video out to more people to help in that journey, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to learn the building blocks for the age of AI. So the first course on the list is AI for Everyone, offered by DeepLearning.AI, and the course itself is hosted on Coursera. This course is essentially taught by Andrew Ng, a prominent figure in the AI space. This course provides a comprehensive understanding of AI, covering the meaning of key terms like neural networks, machine learning, and it clarifies what AI can and can't achieve. So it'll guide you through like the building blocks of AI, how to leverage it for your company, and then just give you an overall greater view and sense of how AI is applied in society. It's received a 4.8 rating with over 39,000 reviews and is of beginner level book. So anybody who is new to AI can really just dive in. And there has, up till now, it's been about 1 million students enrolled as well. The course is said to take approximately 7 hours to complete, just since it's a singular course. And if you only take it out about 2 hours a week, or 2 hours per week, then you will probably finish it within 3 weeks. The next course is AI Foundations for Everyone. It's a specialization, so a bunch of courses packed into one. Regardless of your technical knowledge, this specialization will take a little bit longer to complete. It's offered by IBM and it focuses on providing a solid understanding of AI, its industry applications, different key concepts that you need to know from machine learning, deep learning, and such. The course is also gives an introduction to IBM Watson AI, which is a service that's offered by IBM, obviously because the course itself is made by IBM. And a key component to this specialization is that it has practical experience gained through no-code exercises, and you can learn to develop and deploy a Watson AI-powered chatbot at the end of the course. The specialization itself has been taken a lot by many students and has an average of 4.7 stars with about 2,400 reviews. And its initial first course as part of the specialization is so popular that it has over 11,000 ratings. The specialization is said to take about 1 month at 10 hours a week, and you can either pay for the course by paying for a Coursera Plus subscription at $59 per month, or you could just enroll for the course individually. And then the next on the list is Computer Science for Artificial Intelligence Professional Certificate, which you can find in edx.org. So this professional certificate is offered by Harvard, and it's a program that combines the Computer Science 50's renowned Intro to Computer Science course, which is you can even see on YouTube, and it kind of blends that and it gives a more in-depth exploration of AI. So it starts off with foundational programming languages and explaining that, and then it progresses to advanced AI concepts from graph search algorithms, optimization, reinforcement learning, and all of such. You can gain a lot of practical experience with machine learning, and the program itself is rooted in one of Harvard's most popular undergraduate courses, which I mentioned earlier, which is the CS50. The certificate program is set to take about 5 months long, and it costs about $466 for the full program experience. And then next on the list would be Fundamentals of Google AI for Web-Based Learning Professional Certificate. So this professional certificate is offered by Google. You can find it on edx.org, and it's a great entryway to kind of demystify AI for you. It focuses on teaching you how to really understand the nature of what AI is, its limitations, and what it can actually do. And you start off by also understanding Google's AI, introducing the ML, like machine learning basics and their real-world applications. Most of the instructors are all Google experts, and you can learn how to leverage Google AI for JavaScript developers. It's also really accessible for beginners with basic web development knowledge. And then at the end, it focuses on using TensorFlow for enhancing web applications with features like computer vision, natural language processing, and so on. The program itself is set to take about 3 months long, with about 3 to 4 hours per week, and it costs about $538 for the full program experience. While it does say that it's a fundamental course, I do personally suggest that you should have some basic understanding of some programming languages and how that applies to AI before spending this money to take this course. I think that would be a lot more useful for you. The next on the list is IBM Applied AI Professional Certificate. So this professional certificate is offered by IBM. You guys noticed that there's going to be a trend for the next couple of courses that's always all offered by IBM, and it's just because it is really popular, a lot of these specialization courses. Going back to it, this program provides a comprehensive understanding of AI, its applications, its use cases, and it covers areas like machine learning, data science, natural language processing, and it teaches practical basic Python skills for creating different AI web applications utilizing their IBM Watson AI. So this program is set at a beginner level and is designed for those without a programming background. So completing this program can also result in you receiving an IBM digital badge in Applied AI. With an average rating of 4.6 with over 6,000 reviews, is a really popular professional certificate that a lot of people take. It has an extensive list of 7 courses that you have to go through in order to achieve success, from absolute beginner to slightly more competency. The course is said to take about 3 months at 10 hours a week, and you can pay for the course by either subscribing to the Coursera Plus subscription at $59 per month, or you can just pay individually. And then the next on that list would probably be IBM Data Science Professional Certificates. So this next course isn't precisely AI, but it covers a skill set that is required to develop in AI properly, which is data science. This program teaches essential data science skills, whether it's from databases, data visualization, statistical analysis, predictive modeling, and machine learning algorithms. And then you can also use tools like Python, SQL, Jupyter Notebooks, and you get really familiar with the whole workflow of what a data scientist would do. The program has also been recommended by the official American Council on Education, and it offers potential for you to earn up to 12 college credits if you complete it. The course has an average about 4.6 stars from 67,000 reviews with over 250,000 students enrolled up till now. So it's a very popular program. It's a really packed program with 10 individual courses that you have to go through to understand the entire data science landscape. So I do really highly recommend it. I haven't finished this professional certificate yet, but I have taken it and it's quite useful. On average, each individual course has about 10 to 15,000 ratings, averaging about 4.7 stars, so really great. The course is set to take about 5 months at 10 hours a week, and you can pay for the course by either paying the Coursera Plus subscription or paying individually. And then next is the machine learning specialization. For anyone who knows a bit of AI, we know that machine learning is a fundamental aspect to AI. This specialization program is a collaboration between the DeepLearning.AI and Stanford, so it's taught by the well-known Andrew Ng. The program is designed for beginners of machine learning, and it focuses on machine learning specifically compared to the other courses that I've mentioned in this course so far. It covers supervised and unsupervised learning, and it showcases like Silicon Valley's best practices. The program also equips learners with skills to tackle like real-world challenges, and is ideal for those aspiring to enter the AI field. It has an average rating of 4.9 stars with over 18,000 reviews and over 320,000 students enrolled. The course is set to take about 2 months at 10 hours a week. And once again, like every other Coursera course, you can either choose to do the Coursera Plus subscription for $59 per month or just pay individually. So up till now, I've introduced a lot of introductory courses or beginner level courses or specializations or professional certificates that you can acquire. If you have gone through any of them enough times, then perhaps you want to go deeper. So the next set of courses are going to be exactly for that. So another program offered by IBM, which is IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. It's a bit more of an intermediate level course, and then students can actually take their knowledge of AI a bit further with mastering key concepts in machine learning and deep learning. So you'll work with libraries like SciPy, scikit-learn, Keras, PyTorch, and TensorFlow in real-world actual problems from object recognition, computer vision, and natural language processing. And the course itself offers a whole lot of hand-on projects with big data. If you complete this, of course, you get the IBM Digital Badge in AI Engineering. And overall, the course has an average rating of 4.5 with about 5,800 reviews and over 40,000 students were enrolled. It's a pretty packed certification program with about 6 individual courses, so it's quite good. You can get a lot of information there. The course is set to take about 2 months at 10 hours a week. And once again, you can pay for the course by paying for the Coursera Plus subscription by $59 per month or just pay individually. And then next on the list is deep learning. So let's say you want to go a little bit deeper into the whole realm of machine learning, deep learning, then the deep learning specialization is for you. This program is for people who are knowledgeable in AI and have worked in the space, but perhaps they just want to take their knowledge to the next level. It's designed to understand deep learning's capabilities and challenges from building and training advanced neural network architectures. The course includes practical applications in Python and TensorFlow, covering real-world cases such as like speech recognition and natural language processing. And the course itself is offered by the institution DeepLearning.AI and is another great course taught by Andrew Ng. With an astounding rating of 4.9 stars with more than 130,000 reviews, this specialization has had over 800,000 students enrolled up till now, and is packed with 5 key courses that you can go through that all have an average rating of about 4.8 to 4.9 stars, with an average of like 50,000 ratings each. So you can know that this deep learning specialization has been taken by a lot of people and has been reviewed with a great score by a lot of people as well. So the course is set to take about 3 months at 10 hours a week, and you can pay for the course by either paying the Coursera Plus subscription at $59 per month, or as I mentioned, paying individually. And then finally on this last is the AI implications for business strategy. So for people that want to go into understanding AI for business, this is one executive education program that you can take and find on edx.org. It's offered by MIT. And it's a great way to stack your knowledge on AI for business and so just simply know how to leverage AI for business strategy. The program is a very short one. It's set to take about 6 weeks with about 6 to 8 hours per week. But remember, since this is an executive education program, the cost is quite steep. So it's going to go for about $3,200 for the full program experience. So because it is an executive education program, it's probably best to get your company to pay for it if need be. So there you have it. In the end, having these AI certifications or online courses won't guarantee you a job in AI. Definitely not. That's not what I'm condoning in this video. However, what it will do is get you one step closer to better understanding AI and what you can do with it, and the knowledge in itself is worth millions, especially for the future. So in the end, it's all about staying updated with the most recent knowledge and making sure you future-proof your skills by staying updated with channels like this. And of course, on top of this online courses that I mentioned, make sure to stay updated with the latest skills required to stand out in this age of AI by subscribing to this channel, and then that way we can all together navigate this digital ocean we call AI.